Clankster, live. Damn, that shit look beautiful as fuck. Hopping off the moon and stars, we so far away. My head above clouds, so far from us.
Bro, this is like Grand Theft Auto, for real, I swear to God, bro.
So you already know what time it is. We out here. We just took a nice vibe out, so I got a special homie with me. You feel me? We clanging this bit. Hey, Clank Clank. Hey, listen, Taylor Dane. Hey, listen, shout out to my dog. Hey, tomorrow's her birthday, so we finna have, you feel me? We better go. You feel me? It's her birthday all week. You feel me? So we finna go. Hey, you see, her birthday will never end. You feel me? What? Oh, I thought that was your face right there. So right now, hey, listen. I already told y'all it's her birthday all week, right? Oh, it's something that. Hey, I can't believe right now. But you finna buy some water? Look at this. This is a piece of 8, 9. Shit, expensive. Thank you.
No, you good.
Nah, you good. Look, bro, look at it. Look like a storm just happened. Like,
It's getting like warmer though.
oh yeah. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was scared that it was gonna be super cold. Oh, it's not. It's people out here, but this is still look dead. Like, I know it's loud as shit. This shit sound like a funeral. Oh yeah, that shit stinky. That's crazy. Right now we on Venice, you feel me? Damn, that's crazy. Yo, bro, what the fuck? I'm really on. Hey, I came here, but every time I came here, I always came here for work. You feel me? Yeah. So we just shot a TV show out here with AOKO. Make sure y'all tune in. Yeah, I think I said AO and Teo. Yeah. So it's so much. We should go get a tattoo. You feel me? Hannah? Oh, I be seeing that in Miami, the Hannahs, whatever.
It's like a temporary one.
Oh, shit is Russ. They really live in effect out here, you feel me? I never would have thought that. That's crazy as hell.
Look at all these flags.
Yeah, look at the flags. I saw that too. That's crazy. I'm just shocked that I'm out my house. Oh, the dude right there? Yeah. Hey, I can't even flex to you. I don't go out the house, bro. I'm out the house, bro. Thanks to you. Not for work. I'm chilling, big chilling. Like, you feel me? You know, big water. You feel me? It smell like gas. Damn, I'm just so proud of me, bro. I'm really out the house, bro. I be cuddled up in the house, editing and working. So I'm finally out. And they'll still let them swim?
Yeah, you can still swim, but you better get down.
Bro, look at them fucking waves, bro. Like, I forgot I make YouTube. Like, look at this shit. This shit is beautiful, bro. What the fuck? My life is really changing, bro. You got motherfuckers in the sky. It's Corona. You feel me? Hey, matter of fact, fuck that. I just found my new hideaway, my hideout. We got big trunks in the Clankster. Florida boys. Jumping off the moon. Jumping off the moon and stars. We so far away. My head above clouds, so far from all the hate. Jumping off the moon. Watch me float away. Jumping off the stars. Watch me float away. Hey, I need that number. Hey, it's a beautiful day out here, guys. Love yourself. Love the waves, bitch. Love the waves. Oh my God. Clank, clank. Love the goddamn waves, bitch. And love the people in the sky. Jumping off the moon. Jumping off the moon and stars. We so far away. So far away. My head above clouds, so far from all the hate. Clouds, so far from all the hate. Jumping off the moon. Watch me float away. Jumping off the stars. Watch me float away. Talking about,
They be scaring me because they'll really walk up on you.
and they'll probably peck the shit. Like, he look like he beat up all the crows. Look at the water, like, real close. Water was supposed to be over there.
He was really talking that shit.
Like,
That's crazy.
really was, though. Like, and he came, like, right here. Like, we owe you something? Hey, rep your hood. Yo.
Yo.
Yo. Yo. He repping his hood, boy. All day. Near the water. By myself.
Not myself. All day.
All day. One leg. Oh, no, two.
One leg.
You feel me? One feather falling off. Want to go night-night? I know that for a fact.
Oh. It's 310. Look, 310.
Oh,
Oh, shit. I just seen that shit. Hey, relax. Relax. Oh, relax.
he's trying to fly, too.
He was trying. But he's stuck now. I feel bad, though.
I feel...
Can't even see him. He just girl. GTA real.
2 stars. Oh shit, that's a copyright. All right, but yeah, I just turned it on. Look at that beautiful scenery though. Oh, we got 5 fucking stars. What the fuck going on? Damn, what the fuck? Damn, they got the real helicopter, bro. What the? Bro, this feel like 5 stars for real. Like, what the fuck? Oh, you ready to go?
Why did they need 10 officers? What the fuck?
Why they got the shotgun?
He's literally laying down. You don't need a gun. Oh, hell no. Yo, this is the shit. I be protesting every day.
Why you got the shotgun? Dude? That's the crazy one.
He hit a woman right in the face over there in the apartment. Got purple.
Oh, okay. Oh,
This guy, I beat the shit out of him twice already because he hit a woman. He hit saving lives every day. Thank you. Yeah, he had his penis out.
What?
He had his penis out.
Oh.
Nothing about Black lives.
Oh.
Just needs to go to jail.
Look, but they still can put the gun out.
Yeah, but still,
Just take the man to jail. Take his ass to jail. That's it.
Oh yeah, he tripping. And then I got the weed all out. Oh yeah, I forgot this is LA. All right, we out. That's crazy. This motherfucker pissing on. Trying to. Damn, he hit a girl. That's fucked up. Damn, that's a real shotgun.
Yo, he pulled that shit up too comfortable too.
Yeah.
Like, relax.
Oh, he hit the girl that's in. But I ain't gonna lie, this car is fire as fuck. This shit.
He punched somebody.
And then was whipping his dick out. like what type of shit that is?
We gotta get him out the shit.
Bro, are you serious? We just seen that? Hey, they ran up on the block. Jumping off the moon, jumping off the moon and stars, we so far away, so far away. My head above clouds, so far from all the hate, so far from all the hate. Jumping off the moon, watch me float away, jumping off the stars. Watch me float away. It's so clear that